Lisa Taylor from Flying L Racing is an avid Porsche collector. Many of her 911s feature HRE wheels. She bought her first 911 in 1982 and she has been driving 911s daily ever since. Her 2024 Porsche 911 Dakar was absolutely stunning. 2,500 911 Dakars are planned to be produced. The 911 Dakar features a twin-turbo flat 6 and produces 473 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. Her paint scheme is optional and harkens back to the Rothmans Porsche 959 from the Paris-Dakar Rally, which is arguably one of the most recognizable and significant 911s ever built. The 911 Dakar's base price is $247,200. The Rothmans paint job will set you back a cool $32,490. 20 years from now, this paint job will be the iconic paint job that the Dakar is known for. I predict any of the Dakars spec'd in this paint scheme are going to skyrocket in value. The white 37 GTM wheels are part of HRE's Vintage GT series. They look perfect for a rally-inspired vehicle. Some of her other 911s were found inside this gorgeous orange brand new 911T, this Porsche 911 Turbo S in green looks absolutely stunning, and the 2019 Porsche 911 GT3 RS in Ruby Star with the carbon fiber lipped HRE wheels looks absolutely stunning. It's one of my favorite cars. Her Porsche 911 Turbo S is finished in signal green and features bronze HRE wheels. Definitely a bright look at me color. Her new Porsche paint sample Gulf Orange 911T looks absolutely stunning. This color definitely pops. Vintage style HRE wheels finished in a light gunmetal color absolutely contrasts perfectly and really suits the car well. It's a phenomenal spec. The 911 Courier T is powered by a twin turbocharged flat 6. It produces 375 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque. It is available with a 7-speed manual transmission. 0 to 60 goes by in 4 seconds. 0 to 100 miles an hour goes by in 9 seconds. The quarter mile takes 12.2 seconds at 116 miles an hour. It is known to be one of the more driver-oriented modern 911s outside of the GT cars. The 2016 Porsche 911 GT3 RS was available exclusively with Porsche's PDK transmission. It features a screaming 8,800 RPM redline. It has 500 horsepower at 8250 RPM and 338 foot-pounds of torque at 6250 RPM. 0 to 60 flies by in 3 seconds. The car goes through the quarter mile in 11.1 seconds at 127 miles per hour. The 992 Porsche 911 Turbo S Coupe features all-wheel drive and is powered by a twin-turbo flat 6 that produces 641 horsepower and 590 foot-pounds of torque. 0 to 60 flies by in 2.6 seconds, and the car can reach a top speed of 205 miles an hour. Thank you for watching my video of Flying L Racing's Porsche 911 collection from the 2024 HRE Wheels Open House in Vista, California. You may also like to watch some of my other HRE Open House videos from previous years. Have an awesome day!